Hello boys and girls, welcome to our video that's called Understanding of the World. Now, this week's topic is planets. Last week's topic was solar system. We've learned so far yesterday and the day before that, on Monday and on Tuesday, how to draw some of the planets. We're going to learn how to draw this one today. So we learned Mercury, we learned Venus, and we are going to learn how to draw Earth, okay? But before that, I would like to show you something. Now, I want to show you what it actually looks like, our solar system in space, okay? So, let's see. Look at this. This is how our solar system looks like. This is a picture of the sun right there. And in the middle of our solar system, let's see if we can just hold it like this. In the middle of our system is sun. And around these rings that you can see are actually the pathways which some planets take to go around the sun, because they rotate, remember? They revolve or rotate or go around the sun. Now, small ones in the beginning, if we can see that, right here in the beginning are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They're called rocky planets. And then comes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, the gas giants, right? So I wanted to show you what some of them actually look like. So this is how our sun looks like. This is a picture of the sun. Our sun is the star. It's not a planet. It's very, very red, and because it's very bright and red, we see it as yellowish and white in the sky. But don't look at it too long, it'll hurt your eyes. So this is our star. It's actually a dwarf, a yellow dwarf. It's the type of a star. There are lots of different types. Our sun is yellow dwarf. So that's how it looks like. Then the first planet that comes after our sun, revolving around our star, is Mercury. That's true. So this is how Mercury looks like. This is Mercury. Now, if you remember from our painting of Mercury, it takes 88 days for Mercury to go around Sun. It's about 87.7 days, so about 88 days, and they call it a terrestrial planet. What does that mean? It means that it's a rocky planet, that it has ground. Remember? That's one of the first 4 rocky planets that have ground. Rocky planets. They call them terrestrial planets. This is how Mercury looks like. Now, next in line after Mercury comes Venus. That's true. This is how Venus looks like. It's all orange and yellow, and it's very bright. Now, for Venus, it takes Venus 225 days to go around the sun, lot longer than Mercury, and a little bit shorter than what it takes Earth to go around the sun. For one whole year on Earth, it takes a little bit less on Venus. And look, this is how Venus looks like if you would look at it from space. Another terrestrial planet, another rocky planet. Next, after Mercury and Venus comes the one we're going to draw today, Earth. That's true. This is how our Earth looks like, and just about there is where Chile is and where we live. So the Santiago is somewhere right about there in that spot. So this is our planet. Our planet is blue and green. Blue because there's water, green because there's ground, there's forests everywhere. It takes our planet 365 days, sometimes 66 days, to go around the sun. It's another terrestrial planet, means it has ground for us to stand on, and this particular planet is number 3 in line from the sun. So Mercury, Venus, and then Earth. And after Mercury, Venus, and Earth comes what? Another terrestrial planet, last one, and that one is called, if you remember the red one right there, Mars. That's true. And this is how Mars looks like, right? So this is the picture of Mars. It's a very red and orangey planet. Now this one takes a lot longer, almost 2 years on Earth or 1 year on Mars. It takes 687 days. That's a lot of days for Mars to go around the sun. It's the last terrestrial planet of our solar system, which means it's the last rocky planet of our solar system. So this is how Mars looks like. All right, so we're going to learn in the next video, tomorrow, we're going to learn about the gas giants. So now we learned how these four look like, the rocky planets. And then we're going to learn, so we learned about Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And then we're going to learn about Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What do they look like? What do gas giants look like? So, join me tomorrow to learn how the other four, the gas giants, look like, okay? So for now, bye-bye and see you tomorrow.